we got some help. Rocky Gask and Megan come down with us with their 2 youngins, and hey, the little boy, good help. He put my wheel covers on. So anyhow, we are getting ready to go out for qualifying, and hopefully we start off better than what we did the last time we were here. Made just a few little minor changes, and we're gonna see what we got, and then we'll get back to y'all after qualifying. Alright, so we went and qualified. Rocky talked me into some little bit different tire pressures than what I've been running on both these cars. I liked them. Definitely, I feel like the car reacted pretty good to them. We ended up qualifying 4th, and then it started to rain. So all the qualifying, everything's done. However, we are sitting here in the rain, and hopefully we get this race in. It's just a slight sprinkle now. They really need to get some cars out there and get the track back while they can, because there's a little bit of water sitting on the surface right now. But this place is a little bit different. I think they said the guy that does the track quit last week or something like that. So there was no moisture down on the bottom in 1 and 2, which is typically where people want to be at Sumter, right on the guardrail down in the corner. I tried to keep the car right there in the center, and car did good. Rocky thinks it looked good. I don't know. My Lakeview people, y'all know Rocky. I know Rocky from watching him race. I actually never met him in person until the last time we raced at Lakeview, and now we're buddies. He's at the racetrack with me. So I love meeting racing people, and we sat there and talked to him after the race for like 3 hours. And I will say, just watching Rocky and Stop V8 at Lakeview and everything, or even when he ran Cruiser stuff and modifieds and everything, real smart with a race car. He actually builds all his own cars too, so he can do all that also. But appreciate him coming down here and helping us, and he brought the whole family. Just a big racing family, and I appreciate them being part of my racing and coming down and helping me. And I just need to listen to him. That's what I told myself. I just need to listen to him, and if he says he wants to try something, we'll try it. I'm always down to try anything at least once. Well, almost anything. There's a couple things in this world I won't try, but on a race car, we'll try anything. And think Ian and I can together think when we get ready for this feature, I think we might have a shot at a win. Starting second row outside. Hopefully someone that got into us last race, hopefully he'll go up there, clean everybody out for me, and we'll just run away with it. That'd be pretty cool. But there's actually some really good cars here. I believe his name's Nate Jackson and Austin Brown, Ray Cagle Jr., I think that's his name, the 9 car. Like, there's some legit Thunder Bombers here, and to be right there in the mix with them was pretty cool. I mean, we were 2/10 off the pole, but I think this gear in the car, I think I got a little bit too much gear. I'm turning the right RPMs, but the motor feels flat at the end of the straightaway, and it's coughing. so probably need to be a little bit lower on the gear. And if anybody out there has a 583 31 spline full spool, please get with me. I need one bad. That's probably the gear I need to be on here. That's what I needed for Friendship, was a 583. So if anybody out there has one that they want to part ways with and doesn't want an arm and a leg for, I'm broke, remember that. But we're trying to race through race cars. That's why we're broke. But I would like to get a 583. So if anybody out there, I mean, I'll pay you for it, pay for shipping, whatever, if you're far away. But I need a 583. So if anybody out there has one, get with me and comment on the video. Go to my Facebook page, my personal Facebook or whatever, and get with us. Also, just a little shout out, Checker Brunette. Check out that t-shirt. That thing's awesome, ain't it? So you can have one of those. You can have one of those t-shirts for you, or with the late model on it. Get back to late model stuff here come hopefully next week. Got the ramp truck. As you can see, this is not the ramp truck. It was a bit too nice to be a ramp truck, but we're in the Duramax today, and we got some work getting done on the ramp truck to make it a little bit more friendly to use, and so the late model fits on it. So stay tuned for that. I just don't have the time to do the work. I mean, all y'all know I can do it. I built my bus, but fella Cameron Norris the third, the dad of Cameron Norris the fourth, anyhow, he is doing the work for me. So he's got a pretty good start on it. We dropped it off on Memorial Day, because that's exactly what Taylor wanted to do on Memorial Day, was drop the ramp truck off 2 hours from home. But she's a trooper. Can't say enough about her. I sure do love you. See, she don't even say it back. Hurts my heart. But anyhow, we're just rambling because I'm trying to get y'all a video out. I missed 2 of them. So thank the rain. Sorry. And it's been raining all week, so I couldn't work on a Thunder Bomber because the shop's too small to have 3 cars in it. But anyhow, my arm's getting tired, and we will get back with y'all and let you know if we're going to race or not.
Hey, this is Taylor and Doug. We're currently sitting under a rain delay. It's sprinkling right now still. But I wanted to come on here because I recently spent some money on some stickers, and I did this really to give back to the kids in the racing community, because I know how it is. When I was a kid, I loved getting merch from people, whether it was little like
MLA Yellows.
Yeah, MLA Yellows. Thanks to Matt Long. I remember as a kid, we would go to Virginia Motor Speedway with the Fast Track Late Model Tour, and Matt Long would always have his cooler MLA Yellows sitting out there, and me and my grandpa would always go by there and get like 5-6 MLA Yellows, and that's just something that I'll always look back on. But I recently got some stickers made of the Checker Brunette logo, the stock V8 car.
Hold on, slow down.
There's the Checker Brunette ones.
They're gonna be backwards because we're flipped on the
Yeah.
Stock V8.
Stock V8
/
stickers.
Thunder Bomber. Bring it in, bring it in, bring it in.
Okay. And I also got some late model stickers made.
Shop Princess.
This is my baby, my late model. But I got those made mostly to give the kids at the tracks that we're going to be at for the rest of the year. So if you know that we're going to be at a track that you're going to be at, whether it's Lakeview, Sumter, we have a race at Cherokee Motor Speedway coming up. We might be coming up to With Raceway, my hometown track, June the 6th. And we've got a race at, we might be going down to Toccoa, and what's the other track that we might be going to down there?
Should be Screven.
Screven, which I hadn't been there.
We're gonna be doing some traveling here during Lakeview's break. So we race there on the 13th, and then we don't race again until the 4th of July, and then we have another month break. So we're gonna try to get out, run the Thunder Bomber some places, run the late model. I'm gonna try to, y'all know how I am with my late model tires. They're astronomically priced, and I've got a stockpile American Racer. So we're gonna try to run as much American Racer tire late model races as we can to burn them up, so I can justify buying more tires. Anyhow, everybody thank Taylor for getting these stickers made. Really cool that she did that, and I like doing stuff for the kids as well. But make sure you go on the Facebook page the Nothing Dirt Facebook page, and that's how you can keep up with where we're going. So I'm gonna try my best, weather pending, obviously, and all. But like today, we put that we were coming down here to Sumter, so just keep an eye on the Facebook page, keep up with the videos, and you'll know where we're racing. And I'm working on putting a schedule together so we can post where we're gonna be, and that way, if y'all want merch or whatever, you can get with Taylor as long as we have a week buffer, because between race cars, my work schedule, I have 3 jobs working for her. So anyhow, her arm got tired. But keep up with us on the Facebook page, keep up with the videos. If you know we're going to be somewhere and you want some merch, we make them by order. So just get with her directly, because I will forget. And I don't know the prices. That's all her deal. I'll let her take care of all that. So make sure you get with the Checker Brunette on Facebook. I tag her in all my Facebook posts. So there you go.
Yeah, so with that being said, we're going to be at several different tracks on the East Coast coming up, really for the rest of the year, just because Lakeview does take that month break. So if you know that you're going to be at a track that we're at, just swing by the ramp truck and get yourself some stickers. We have them for the kids and also adults, because I know you adults also like stickers. You can put them on
all of them on my shop fridge at work. So
yeah, he's got like a collection of stickers going on, so we will not judge you if you're an adult and you get a sticker, I promise. But yeah, we'll see how long this rain delay lasts, and hopefully we can get the night started, because last race we were at Sumter, I think it was 2 weekends ago, we got home at like 3 o'clock in the morning. And if you know me, I'm not a morning person and I love to sleep in, so
yeah, we didn't get out of the bed all day.
yeah, I don't like doing that because it makes you feel like crap all day. But
we got up out of the bed for enough to press shirt orders and then
went right back into bed. But yeah, hopefully tonight goes well and everyone runs a clean race and the car stays in one piece. Bye, y'all.
Started the race, the best looking flag man in South Carolina and surrounding counties is going to wave that green flag and tell them to go, go, go. Here we go. Green flag, Thunder Bomber. Who's going to
guys, we come down to Sumter and we got some bad news. I'm gonna let Rocky tell you because my feelings hurt.
About a lap and a half. Got a hole in the oil pan. A few different fluids on the ground. Not not a good incident.
So y'all need to go buy a lot of t-shirts. We're going to Charlotte now. Now, hopefully we can put something back together for this car. Car's good. Car felt really good. I knew what the 41 was going to do that started in front of me. And I had it in my head. I was going to duck back under him, which I did. Got down the backstretch, and she lost all. Yeah. Oh, I didn't choose. I didn't let off the gas. It was halfway down the straightaway. It just laid over. So that's the end of this video. I'm going to cry all the way home. There's just more money to be spent. But I gotta love it. It's racing. Glad the track got the race in. We sat through what?
Turned out a pretty good track, though.
Hour and a half of rain or so. That kind of sucked. It stopped raining and then it started raining again as soon as they told us to go back track. So anyhow, also want to say thank you to Rocky coming down here and helping. He even talked me into having some spare tires ready. That's not like us. But anyhow, he brought his whole family. I'm gonna make Mega get on here too. Oh, this little man right here, he's good help. He's good help. But I like having kids around, helping on race cars. But anyhow, hopefully Rocky will get his car ready and y'all see him in the Lakeview videos. And, well, don't tell him, but I don't want him to get his car ready because he's fast. But anyhow, we're going to end it off here. Make sure you drop down, like, comment, subscribe, all that kind of good stuff. And we'll probably see you pulling this motor out.